so many black raspberries. Come join me in the chaos. All right, so I just kind of wanted to quickly explain the way you get tons of black raspberries. So I kind of showed this earlier, but they hadn't started turning yet. And I realized a lot of people don't even know black raspberries exist. So yes, black raspberries exist. This is what they look like. Raspberry, see, it's not a blackberry. And the flavor is just incredible. Reminds me of a cross between mulberry and blackberry, maybe. Oh, it's just such a perfect combination of flavors. But there's tons of them, as you can see. So my trick, if you think about what plants need, they need sunlight, they need water, and they need nutrients. And of course carbon dioxide, but that's hopefully in our atmosphere since we're sucking up all the oxygen. So these things, if they have those, they're gonna go nuts. And the main thing I think is probably water. And you don't want them to be soaked, you don't want them to have waterlogged soil. So the trick for that is you're gonna want to use mulch. And what mulch is gonna do is it's gonna allow the soil to hold water, but it's not gonna be waterlogged. So that's pretty much my trick. Mulch is your best friend. Thanks for joining me in the chaos.